Hi everyone, I'm going to make today chicken sage with mushroom and explain what ingredients we're gonna need. So first I'm going to add oil in about like 2 tablespoons. Then add the chicken. Add the 2 cloves of garlic. Then onion. Add ground black pepper. Bit of salt, 2 pinch. You just have to mix this. We just have to let the onion cook. Then add the sage. It's supposed to be dry. Add 2 tablespoons of sage. Then add mushroom. Then add a tablespoon of butter. Add soy sauce. I made this recipe before already and I want to make this now to make a video. Tablespoon of cornstarch. You just mix this. And 1 cup broth or water. Okay. And we just have to mix this. And let the mushroom cook and the chicken. Salt and more of black pepper. And just to mix this. Now we just let the chicken and the mushroom cook, and then we're done. That's really this recipe is really simple ingredients, and it's just simple to cook, and it's really delicious though. Troy and I really like this ingredients. Because I like sage, and I tried that with the chicken and mushroom, and it really turned it good, tastes good. So now I try to make a video with it. So hope you guys will like it. And okay everybody, our chicken sage is cooked already, and we're going to serve with rice. And of course, if you don't want to serve with rice, you can use also potato. Put the rice. So here's our chicken sage with mushroom. Hope you like it everybody. See you again. Bye.